Well, good afternoon, Mr. Kelly. Jim Richards here, Shottenkirk Ford in Jasper, Georgia. Thank you for your interest in this T-Bird. I'm going to give you a walk around of the outside first, and let's start by looking at the engine bay. As you can see, there is no air conditioning, no power steering. See if I can catch the VIN plate for us right here. VIN number is Delta 7 Foxtrot Hotel 185683. That's D7 FH 185683. And this is the condition this car came to us in. We have not detailed it. So there is some grime. Looks like they installed and that's a metal piece covering the air intake on the hood. But overall, a pretty clean car. We've still got the washer fluid bag. Previous owner had added a second inline fuel filter, but I guess, as they like to say in the industry, it has a patina to it. Odometer reads just over 40,000 miles, and I'm told that that's original miles. It hasn't rolled over. Take a look at the bright work right here. At one point it did spend, back in early 1970s, some time in Indiana. Original windshield wipers intact. And just a little grime on the hidden places. I don't know if it's been oversprayed, and I see a little paint chipping right there. I don't know if it's been oversprayed. There are some indications of crazing on part of the paint. I'll try and point those out to you. The turquoise badge is intact. The chrome work looks very good. There is some of the cracking I was talking about right there. Got a couple stone chips on the bezel of the headlight. Catch the bright work on this side. Looks like some overspray on the roof right there. And I didn't notice this before, but I've got one stone chip right on the windshield. Let's move around to the back. Door closes good. The driver's door is sags just ever so slightly. We could stand to do a little cleaning there, but again, we just put it on the showroom floor. I've got some checking or some crazing here on the trunk, and I do have a stone chip right there, or some type of chip. But the bumper looks nice. I don't know enough about the history of the cars, if this molding was standard on the wheel well, but it is peeling back a little bit right there. And this is the door I was talking about. When I go to close it, got to give it a good push. And my next video will show you the interior of the car.